In this section, we shall discuss some problem based on trigonometric identities. For example, cos 70 degree cos 10 degree plus sin 70 degree sin 10 degree equal to 1 by 2. We can substitute here x equal to 70 degree and y equal to 10 degree. We know that identity of cos x cos y plus sin x sin y equal to cos x minus y. If x equal to 70 and y equal to 10, we can write here cos 60 degree. Value of cos 60 degree equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, we can find the value of cos 1 degree, cos 2 degree, cos 3 degree up to cos 179 degree. We can write the given value in the form cos 1 degree, cos 2 degree, cos 3 degree up to cos 90 degree and cos 179 degree. We know that value of cos 90 degree equal to 0. After multiplying, after simplification, we have the given value equal to 0. Similarly, we can find the value of tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, tan 3 degree up to tan 89 degree. We can write the given value using bracket tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, tan 44 degree and tan 45 degree. Bracket tan 46 degree, tan 47 up to tan 89 degree. We know that tan 45 equal to 1 and we can write 46 equal to 90 minus 44, 47 equal to 90 minus 43 and 89 equal to 90 minus 1. We know that tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta. So we can write here tan 90 minus 44 degree equal to cot 44 degree. Similarly, we can write here cot 43 and cot 1 degree. Using the relation between tan and cot, we can prove that tan 1 degree into cot 1 degree equal to 1, cot 2 degree into tan 2 degree equal to 1 and tan 44 degree into cot 44 degree equal to 1. After simplification, we have the given value equal to 1. Prove that cos 20 degree into cos 40 degree into cos 60 degree into cos 80 degree equal to 1 by 16. We can take here LHS and the cos 60 degree equal to 1 by 2. We can write here 1 by 2 bracket of cos 20 degree, cos 40 degree, cos 80 degree. We can multiply by sin 20 degree and multiply and divide by sin 20 degree to make the identity 2 sin a cos a. We can write here 2 sin a cos a equal to sin 2a. If a equal to 20, then sin 2 into 20 equal to sin 40. We can write here. We have multiply by 2 and divide by 2 also here. Now we can apply again same identity after multiplying and divide by 2. 2 sin 40 degree into cos 40 degree equal to sin 80 degree. Applying same identity 2 sin a cos a equal to sin 2a. Again we can multiply by 2 and divide by 2 to apply same identity 2 sin 80 degree cos 80 degree equal to sin 160 degree. Multiply by 2 and divide by 2 also. Sin 160 degree can be written in the form of sin 180 degree minus 20. We know that sin 180 minus theta equal to sin theta, where theta equal to 20 degree. Sin 20 divided by sin 20, we have 1 upon 60. 1 upon 16 equal to RHS. Next example we have prove that cos pi by 4 plus x plus cos pi by 4 minus x equal to root 2 cos x. We can apply here cos c plus cos d identity, where c equal to pi by 4 plus x and d equal to pi by 4 minus x. We know that the identity cos c plus cos d equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. We are applying same identity here. C plus d, pi by 4 plus x plus pi by 4 minus x. We can remove x, positive x to negative x. Then pi by 4 plus pi by 4 equal to pi by 2 and divided by 2 equal to pi by 4. Similarly, cos pi by 4 plus x minus pi by 4 minus x by 2 equal to cos x. Cos pi by 4 equal to 1 upon root 2. Multiplying by root 2 in numerator and denominator, we have root 2 into cos x equal to RHS. We have to prove cos x plus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square equal to 4 cos square x plus y by 2. You can see the question. Prove that cos x plus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square equal to 4 cos square x plus y by 2. We can apply here direct identity. Cos x plus cos y equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. Whole square we can use here. Similarly, sin x minus sin y equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2 whole square. We can open here whole square 4 cos square x plus y by 2 into cos square x minus y by 2. Similarly, we can write here 4 cos square x plus y by 2 sin square x minus y by 2. Taking 4 cos square x plus y by 2 as common, we have cos square x minus y by 2 plus sin square x minus y by 2. If I will put here x minus y by 2 equal to theta, then cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. We can use here identity. To prove RHS, we have 4 cos square x plus y by 2 equal to RHS. Now we will discuss some hot question. Prove that root plus 2 root 2 plus root 2 plus 2 cos 4x equal to 2 cos x, where x greater than 0 and less than pi by 4. We can take LHS and we can apply here identity. We can take 2 as common from the given root and we can write here root 2 plus root 2 bracket 1 plus cos 4x. We can apply here cos 4x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1 and minus 1 to plus 1 remove. We can write here 2 cos square 2x using identity. Now 2 into 2 we can take out from root and given value root 2 into 2 into cos square 2x equal to 2 cos 2x. Again we can apply here same identity 2 bracket 1 plus cos 2x equal to 2 into 2 cos square x equal to 2 cos x equal to RHS. Here we are applying same identity cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 remove, we have 2 cos square x. From root we can take out 2 cos x as RHS. Show that tan a plus b plus c equal to tan a plus tan b plus tan c minus tan a into tan b into tan c upon 1 minus tan a into tan b minus tan b into tan c minus tan c into tan a. Taking LHS, we can write here tan a plus b plus c equal to tan bracket of a plus b. We can use here identity tan a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b, where we can apply again tan a plus b identity to prove RHS. We know that tan a plus b, this is proper identity of tan a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b. First same identity we have to apply here. We can write here a plus b equal to x and y equal to c. We can write here tan x plus y equal to tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x into tan y. Same identity we are applying here. Again we have to apply same identity as tan x plus y or tan a plus b. After simplification we have RHS in the form of tan a plus tan b plus tan c bracket 1 minus tan a into tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b minus bracket tan a plus tan b into tan c. We can multiply by tan c here and here. After simplification we have RHS.